This is Joe Papalardo, Senior Editor of Popular Mechanics at Yakima Training Center.
This Operational Detachment Alpha, or A-Team, is headquartered in Japan, so Yakima's hills, mountains, and desert are better stand-ins for Afghanistan's terrain. Special operations work is usually associated with small, silent vehicles, like these military go-karts used to speed around the Army training range, but sometimes larger vehicles are needed. The Pentagon purchased trucks called Mine-Resistant Ambush-Protected All-Terrain Vehicles, or MATVs, specifically for operations in Afghanistan. The members of this A-Team have never driven the 13.5-ton vehicles before, but they need to learn in case they need to use them overseas. Special Operations Forces have an action hero's resume of skills, but even they need practice and training. Yakima is a good place to learn these skills. The range has pop-up targets that the A-Team will soon riddle with thousands of rounds. The facility hosts all forms of live-fire practice, from helicopter gun runs to grenade tossing. In the distance, a demolition team disposes of explosives. You never know what you'll see out here. MATVs are outfitted with common, remotely operated weapon stations called Crows, and are operated by a gunner seated inside the vehicle. The team will use these to cover each other in what is called bounding overwatch. One vehicle pulls ahead, while the other scans and shoots at anything the gunner inside identifies as a threat. We can't show what this gunner sees for reasons of operational security, but from the outside it looks like the gun is swiveling and shooting on its own. Red tracers skip and bounce downrange. Crows can accommodate many different weapons, including the .50 caliber machine gun, shown here being mounted and shot on an RG-33, which the A-Team might also use during combat missions in Afghanistan. The team drives both during this live fire exercise. Spec Ops teams want to be able to shoot in all directions, so MATV's cargo areas are modified to carry a gunner. The team calls this unenviable shooter the trunk monkey. The cord you see here enables the monkey to communicate with the crew inside the vehicle. Riding with the trunk monkey is fun, but it has its drawbacks. Like when hot casings rain on you while you duck for cover. This is Joe Papalardo for Popular Mechanics.